Now the angle is good. So, hi everyone. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई गेस सब ठीक ही होंगे. आई मिस्ड यस्टरडेज कंटेंट. कल मैं बिजी था विद द वर्क, माय कॉर्पोरेट वर्क. तो कॉर्पोरेट से मुझे एक चीज़ याद आती है, या है मेरा मतलब बोलने का मन है, जो मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ जिस पे, एंड दैट इज़ स्लेवरी. स्लेवरी ऑफ द जॉब्स. Today I will just focus on this. We'll talk about it. I don't want video to be long, and so अब जैसे मैंने कंटेंट बनाना शुरू किया है, तो मुझे एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ हुई है कि when someone start making content, making videos, तो जब जो बंदा नहीं कर रहा होता है ना कंटेंट, उसे लगता है कि मेकिंग कंटेंट इज नथिंग. Everyone can do that. We just need camera or mic. That's all we think, and that is why we shoot also. So that happens, and everyone just think that this is the only thing which vloggers or the influencers do. When you shoot yourself at home. मम्मी आ गई थी तो डिस्टर्ब हो गया from the topic. So today I was just saying that everyone thinks that making content is nothing. It's just a camera or a mic and just speak and do what you wanna do or say. That's it. No, since I am making videos and I have started making YouTube videos. जब से मैंने स्टार्ट किया है तो I have realized that no, it's not like just open the camera and just making videos. No, I have learned a lot, and it's I guess 1 month maybe. It's been 1 month. एक महीना तो हो गया होगा I guess. तो इस एक महीने में I have learned a lot. I guess this is the first time I have set the camera angle for the video which I am shooting. But before that, I had no idea. I was just kept myself in front of camera and then I just started making video. But I guess I have saw a video of a girl. She also started making her content, and she talked about it. She talked about her content. She made me realize that how camera angle and the mic quality and your overall video quality is important for your growth and just to reach to your uh, to reach your uh, pupils who need your content. Because अगर मैं भी हूँगा तो आई गेस अगर मेरे पास कोई वीडियो आया है, कोई कंटेंट है, जिस कंटेंट में दम है, जिस कंटेंट से मैं कुछ सीख सकता हूँ, but if I will see that the content quality is not good, or mic is not good, I cannot, I can't hear that guy in front of the camera. I am unable to hear that and I am unable to listen. Maybe I wouldn't click on that video or on that content video, or bus started listening that what he's guy saying, even though the content is good. It's just like there could be pupils when someone realizes that the content of the video जो है जिसमें जिससे मैं कुछ सीख सकता हूँ, तो आई गेस then maybe some pupils can see or watch the video or the content. बट अगर आप चाहते हो कि लोगों तक आपका कंटेंट पहुंचे तो क्वालिटी इज़ मस्ट, आई गेस. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव सीन सम वीडियोस on YouTube that how can be better to make content, or how can I shoot my YouTube vlogs, what are the things I need to shoot the video. And then I have came across a girl's video. She explained it perfectly. I've learned a lot from that girl. She I guess it started 1 year ago making content, and she's doing great. I hope she will get the success she deserves. तो आज मैंने एंगल सेट किया है एंड आई थिंक मैंने चेक भी किया अभी कि वीडियो काफ़ी अच्छा आ रहा है. तो लेट इट बी. बस अभी तो फ़िलहाल के लिए बस यही बोलना था. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है उस पे आते हैं. शाम हो रही है आई गेस क्या शाम हो ही रही है. तो रात हो जाएगी फिर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा नहीं क्योंकि अंधेरा हो जाएगा. तो हम अपना शुरू करते हैं जल्दी से. तो टुडे आई वांटेड टू डिस्कस और मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ. इट इज़ जॉब स्लेवरी. इन माई लैंग्वेज आई विल जस्ट से इट्स स्लेवरी. मेरे अकॉर्डिंग जैसा मुझे लगता है कि हम जो हैं एक ट्रैप में हैं. इट्स जस्ट अ ट्रैप. हम एक ट्रैप में रह रहे हैं. दिस ट्रैप इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय पावरफुल पीपल. लोगों ने ये सिस्टम बनाया है. उन्होंने काफ़ी सोच समझ के बनाया है. एंड वी ऑल आर स्टक इन दैट ट्रैप. और मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? वाई एम आई इवन सेइंग दैट? Because I have learned a lot about this. I have experienced a lot. I have seen a lot. I have, you know, listened a lot about this and I have read about it. I have, you know, did my research on it. And then I got to know कि ये जो जॉब स्लेवरी है ना, ये थी तो पहले भी. जब लोगों में थोड़ी सी कॉन्शियसनेस आई, जब लोगों ने कुछ चीज़ों के लिए काम करना शुरू किया, तब भी थी लोगों में. बट कुछ लोगों ने इस चीज़ को अलग तरीके से थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करके इसको ऐसा दिखाया या ऐसा बनाया कि सब लोग इस चीज़ में फंस चुके हैं. आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर्स बट 90% पीपल्स विल अग्री विद मी. देयर वुड बी सम चांसेस 10% ऑफ पीपल्स वुड maybe wouldn't agree with me कि whatever I am saying and whatever I am going to say about the slavery. तो मेरे अकॉर्डिंग मेरे से कोई पूछे तो मैं बोलूँगा कि हम जब पैदा होते हैं, जब हम 4-5 साल के होते हैं, हमारे माँ बाप हमको स्कूल भेजने के लिए प्रेशर करते हैं. हम बच्चे जाते हैं स्कूल में. हम स्टार्ट करते हैं नर्सरी से. फिर हम स्कूलिंग करते हैं. स्कूलिंग के बाद स्कूलिंग जब हम कर रहे होते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि यार स्कूल करने के बाद ना लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. आई यू नो कि मैं मुझे कोई प्रेशर नहीं देगा एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल एंजॉय माई लाइफ. दिस इज़ द होप we all have when we were doing our school. and then we फिर हम जाते हैं कॉलेज में भी हम ये सोचते हैं कि यार अब कॉलेज ख़त्म करेंगे अच्छे से पढ़ के. अच्छा से पढ़ने के बाद एक अच्छी सी जॉब लेंगे और जॉब लेने के बाद लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. दैट्स ऑल वी थिंक. 90% पीपल्स की सोच ये होती है कि और पेरेंट्स की भी सोच ये होती है कि बच्चे को पढ़ा दें, बच्चे की फ्यूचर सिक्योर हो जाएगा, वो जॉब ले लेगा अच्छी सी, उसके बाद उसकी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी और हम हमारा फ़र्ज़ जो है एज अ पेरेंट्स वो हम निभा लेंगे या हमारा हो जाएगा. जो हम हमारा जो फ़र्ज़ है हम वो निभा रहे हैं, ऐसा वो उनकी सोच होती है. बट अगर तुम इसको डीपली सोचो तो इट इज़ अ वेरी सीरियस कंसर्न और आई विल से अ टॉपिक टू डिस्कस. जब तुम स्कूलिंग ख़त्म करते हो, फिर तुम कॉलेजिंग ख़त्म करते हो, फिर तुम जॉब के लिए पता है ढूंढते हो. यू स्ट्रगल अ लॉट व्हेन यू सर्च फॉर अ जॉब. And if you are lucky and you get the job, after getting that job, you will realize that no, I was better than when I was, in my school or in my college or when I was searching for a job, maybe. It was better. एंड स्टार्टिंग हाउ मच यू गेट इस जनरेशन में, इस दुनिया में, इस प्लेस में जहाँ पे भी तुम जॉब करते हो। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव सीन और आई हैव एनकाउंटर्ड कि लोग जो हैं अपना होम टाउन है वो छोड़ के कहीं दूसरे शहर या दूसरे देश जाते हैं जॉब करने के लिए। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट आर दे आर मिसिंग देयर फैमिली, दे आर मिसिंग देयर फ्रेंड्स। दे गो टू द अनदर कंट्री और अनदर सिटी, they work there, they think that they are building their career, they think that they are growing, they are securing their future. But when they do that job, 99% I'm talking about, they are just, in a depression, because there is nobody to help them, there is nobody to, you know, love them, there is nobody to care them. And in fact, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गरीब है ना, जो अपना होम टाउन छोड़ के जाते हैं कहीं पे और वो सोचते हैं कि हम कहीं 10-12 हज़ार रुपए की जॉब कर लेंगे, भाई 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 सल्यूट है उन लोगों को। पीपल से दैट आर्मी पर्सन्स और यू नो जो आर्मी में है लोग या जो देश की रक्षा करते हैं वो हीरो हैं, बट इफ़ यू विल आस्क मी आई वुड से दीज पीपल्स आर हीरोज हु हैव ऑल द राइट टू डू समथिंग, यू नो जो नहीं करना चाहिए, बट स्टिल दे चूज टू लिव लाइक दैट, because I have seen and encountered a lot of people who have done MBA, BTech from good colleges. They have, you know, they went in a good college. They went in a good school. They are very good and they were very good in college. They were very good in school. They were topper at a time, but still they are struggling to get a job of 25,000 or 30,000 in a starting. And after, even if they get the job, they don't get that recognition which they deserve. After 1 year or 2 year, they realize that that's not I wanted with my life. Bro, it is very serious thing. My relatives also don't understand. My parents also don't understand. They think just I am a madman maybe, and I don't want to, take responsibility. I know we all have responsibility. They are dying every day just to you know, uh, fulfill their duty, fulfill their, parents or the family requirements, which they are stuck. They can't escape that because it just पीढ़ी हर पीढ़ी आता जा रहा है लोगों के पास। they have seen their father, they have seen their mother doing the same thing, and the father and the mother expect the same thing from their child, but the child is struggling, but and he can't do anything. He just think that I don't want to do that, but I am doing this just because of my family, just because of the pressure of my family, just because of my responsibilities. I'm doing that shit. I don't want to do that. I don't want to live like that. Well, then why I'm doing that? Just because what society will say. Just take an example. If I leave my job today, my parents and my society and this society, these relatives will, say this guy is a failure. Doesn't want to take responsibility. No, it's not like that. I am just searching for my work. I am searching for my part. What can I do better, and what can make me happy to do that? If I am doing something early, I should be happy for that. But I am not, and I am doing that just because of money. And what money we are getting, we just get 20, 25, 20, 23, 30,000 max to max for at least 3 to 5 years. We getting paid only this, और इससे कुछ नहीं होता भाई। तुम गुड़गांव में आते हो अपना होम टाउन छोड़ के, या तुम कहीं बेंगलोर में जाते हो, कहीं पे भी जाते हो जहाँ पे जॉब करने जाते हो, वहाँ का तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारा सारा पैसा सिर्फ तुम्हारे बिल्स पे करने में चला जाता है। बिल्स बिल्स मतलब रेंट, फ़ोन, वाईफाई, और जो ट्रैवलिंग का जो तुम ट्रैवल करते हो, और खाने का, पहनने का, तुम्हें कपड़े भी चाहिए, सारा पैसा अपने आप को मैनेज करने में और अपने आप को उस जॉब के लिए रेडी करने में चला जाता है। कंपनी इतनी चालाक है, वो उतना ही पैसा देती है, उन्हें पता है कि तुम इतने पैसे में सिर्फ अपना ही काम चला पाओगे और तुम इसमें स्टक रहोगे, क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है, तुम्हें लगता है कि मेरा तो खाना चल ही रहा है और मैं मुझे जो चाहिए वो मैं ठीक ठाक ले ही लेता हूँ। मतलब तुम्हें चाहिए तो तुम नहीं ले पाते हो। दिस वॉज द रॉन्ग वर्ड आई गेस आई हैव यूज्ड। You just get what you need at that moment to live. That's it. You don't live. You just struggle. I should say struggle. I guess you just pay your bills. Salary comes, salary goes. That's what happens. Month to month, year to year, and then you realize that you have lost all your years. You are wasted. You haven't done anything. You know, you went for any trip. You didn't do anything what you wanted to do. What you were dreaming, were you really dreaming for this job? You do the same thing again and again every day. People are keep doing because they don't have any option. And if they leave their job, if they leave their comfort zone, I won't say comfort zone, if they leave that job, they know that they don't have anything to do. They need at least 1 to 2 years to identify that what I am capable of, what makes me feel happy to do. But they can't. They really can't. If they do, they can get into a job, any other job. बिकॉज अगर तुम कॉलेज के बाद अगर आप 2 या 3 साल लापता रहते हो ना, तो जॉब वाले भी जॉब नहीं देते हैं। वो पूछते हैं कहाँ थे भाई, 3 साल तक 2 साल तक कहाँ थे। दे डोंट गेट जॉब्स, दे हैव टू जस्टिफाई देमसेल्फ बिकॉज दैट इज अ सिस्टम। You get into a school, you get into a college, then your next step is to find a job and get a job in 6 months after completing your graduation. If you don't get your job, if you don't get job in 6 months, company is gonna ask you what were you doing in 6 months. You have to justify for that. You didn't even get a chance that what makes you happy. You didn't get a chance. What can I do? And even from the starting of the school, from the starting of the parenting, you will realize that you never chose which you wanted in a school. Just take an example. We all study the same subjects, everyone. Why? We all are different. Everyone has their own way of thinking. सबका करने का कुछ अलग मन होता है. There would be person who would be better or good in drawing. There could be someone who is, you know, better in maths. Maybe there could be person who could be better in something else. But we all are studying the same subjects every day. Nobody asks you what you want. And after completing your 10th, you have only two choices. Either you go for a commerce, either you go for a mathematics or biology or other field. That's all we that. But this is also which we don't want. We want something else. We want to explore ourselves. We want to know what we are, what capable we are. But we don't have time. No, society doesn't give that time. सोसाइटी ने कभी टाइम ही नहीं दिया। हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं, हमने कभी एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं किया। इफ इवन इफ वी ट्राई देन हम सोसाइटी को तोड़ते हैं। सोसाइटी थिंक्स दैट कि हम उनकी बातों को नहीं सुन रहे हैं और वी डोंट डिजर्व टू लिव बिकॉज वी आर नॉट डूइंग द सेम विच एवरीवन इज डूइंग। And when you don't do that, you are a traitor. You are really a traitor, man. Even वो आपको देशद्रोही घोषित कर देंगे। वो बोलेंगे कि भाई दिस इज द लाइफ वी आर लिविंग सिंस सो लॉन्ग, योर पेरेंट्स डिड दैट, you have to do, you also have to do that the same. You cannot break the cycle even if you try to break the cycle. They will, make you feel like you have committed a crime because you are not doing the same which everyone is doing. You don't go college, you don't want to go for a school, you don't want to do the job, and when you don't do that, you want to do something else. They don't have anything. These pupils are just clueless. They in their mind they have nothing. Just take an example. There is one my elder brother. He when he was in school, he said to my father that he wants to learn cricket. He wants to go in a cricket field. He wants to be a cricketer. You know what my father said? You have to study first. पढ़ाई कर ले भाई पहले. क्या कर रहा है ये? क्या है ये? क्रिकेटिंग क्रिकेटर बनेगा तू, पढ़ ले पहले. That's what was his answer. Is studying only the way to live or to be successful? And who decided that? That is my question to everybody. We just waste time. And after जब हम 40 45 50 के होते हैं, even after sacrifices everything which we wanted to do, अगर हम वो जॉब करते भी हैं, we get a good job. If we are doing, we will get better in the job. We'll gain experience. Our salary will definitely going to increase if we are working. And if we work till our age of 40 or 45, 50 years, you will realize you have wasted your time and you don't have enough time. You don't have enough money. जब तक तुम काम कर रहे थे तुम्हारे पास पैसा था. You don't have enough money. What options you have? Mutual funds, uh, stock market, create another business. You can do that, I know. That would be a good choice, I guess. But how much you will gain from this? Still, you have to work for 40 to 45 years. और इतने ही तुम बूढ़े हो जाते हो, तुम्हारा समय आना लग जाता है कि अब भाई बूढ़े हो गए हैं और अब तुम्हें जाना है. And even if you have saved some money, you give it to your family, to your children's, and they will just say, "What have you done? You haven't done anything for us." That's all. That's all they are going to say. Your family. And when you will die, you will realize that you have not done something which you wanted to do since your childhood. You have just done what society told you to do, said to do, tell you to do, because you don't want it to be a traitor. You don't want it to them disappoint. You don't want it to feel or make them think that you are not responsible enough, and you don't wanted them to see you as a failure. But bro, I don't think that it is a failure. It is something which you identify for yourself कि yes मैंने ये किया because I wanted to do that. Why I just let it be. So that's all I guess I have to say for today. I would just say, just identify your passion, what you like to do, and do that. Not everyone wants you to do that. जो लोग चाहते हैं तुमसे वो तुम कर रहे हो, तो I don't think that you are living your life. Even my parents wants me to do the job, the shitty job which I don't even like, which I don't even enjoy. I don't feel that I am even living, and I'm doing that just because I do have a responsibilities. I have to do that because I have to fulfill the wishes, the needs of my family. But what about me? When I'll die, what will I think? That I wasted my time just to fulfill the just to fulfill the needs of my family. I guess it's a lot and I don't want to talk more. We'll talk about it later. And let me just tell you that I just shoot these videos. I don't have anything in mind. It's just my opinion which I share with you. It's just my way of thinking. It's just, you can say whatever you call it. I don't have a script. I don't write a script. I don't make points or key points to share. Whatever comes from my mind, whatever comes from my mouth, it just comes. There's nothing. I don't filter. I do what I say, what I feel. So thank you for watching, guys.